Hello, welcome to That's Why We Have Hot Dogs in the Freezer. And I have a theory that no matter what you think up, somebody has already done it. Because I was sitting around the other day thinking, what can I fix for dinner that's different? And I said to myself, what about canned ravioli casserole? That's right, canned ravioli casserole. Well, I started looking on the internet, and you know what? Somebody's already done it. In fact, somebody's already done it 10 times, at least. Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do my own version. What I have here is 2 cans of overstuffed beef ravioli, which I'm going to dump into this sieve, mostly because I want to take the sauce out and use it separately. So there's 1 can. And I'll tell you the truth, I've never done this, so accidents could happen. Mayhem could ensue. Just hang in there. Let's see what happens. Here goes can number 2. I hope, well, let me stir this around a little bit, get the sauce to go down, because it's got to go through those grates. Okay, there goes can number 2. Please, oh. Of course it's going to go on the table because my sieve is bigger than my cup. But, alright. I guess that's why we have a dish towel. I'll just have to clean up after. Alright. Alright, that's going to sit there. Now, I'm going to take kitchen spray. And I'm going to spray this dish. This is it's an 8x8 or a 20 by 20 centimeter for you Europeans out there, or anybody else that's using the metric system. I don't want to exclude anyone. Take that. Then I'm going to start spooning these into the bottom, just like that. Just like that. Kind of flip them over if they will. I don't want to reach in with my hands and move these slimy little things all by myself. So far so good. And I'm doing this because I'm hoping that they will get crispy on the bottom and get rid of that mushy canned texture. And I forgot one of the ingredients sitting over there on the counter. I can see it from here. And if I could teach the cat to do it, he could bring them to me. But since the cat is not that smart or tall, in fact he's blind too, so he doesn't even know I have a countertop. I've told him before that I have a countertop, and he's looked at me with that one eye and go, meow meow countertop, meow meow. I said, yes kitty, it's over there next to the sink. Meow meow sink, meow meow. Never mind kitty, meow meow, okay, okay. So that's my conversation with my cat. I know I'm rambling. As I make this video, it's a Sunday, and Sundays are interesting. So I'll tell you what, I'm going to take this sieve over to the sink, and I'm going to grab my other ingredient. I'll be right back, okay? Don't go anywhere. Okay, I'm back. And what I've got here is some leftover sausage from dinner the other night. And this I will touch. I'm just going to lay those in here in a layer. Already sliced it. I bet I could use pepperoni too, but we'll do it with the sausage. And I don't think I have enough to actually make a layer, so I'll just start randomly laying them around. So it'd be like a little gift if you get one. And since this is just the 2 of us, they're going to eat this, the wife and I. And it really doesn't matter, does it? Alright, so there's that. Now, what I have is some chopped celery. I'm going to put it back in the sauce. I want to fortify the sauce just a little bit. Bell pepper. Put that in there. Shallot. Alright. That's those three. And mix this back up. Surprisingly, a lot of sauce in 2 cans of raviolis. I mean, that's a good 2 cups. Let's put this back over top of our raviolis. Basically, we just deconstructed canned ravioli. Just spread it around. Then I have some bag of mozzarella cheese. Everything's better with cheese, right? We'll take the cheese and let's put a good amount of cheese in there. And since everything is cooked, all we're really doing if we put this in the oven is we're just going to heat it up and get the cheese to melt. So, a little more. There we go. I can't give you a time in the oven. I can tell you I've got the oven set at 350. When this is done, I'll be back and I'll tell you how long I'd put it in the oven for. And we'll try it, okay? So hang in there. We'll be right back. Okay, it was in the oven for about 45 minutes because I remembered I've got raw vegetables in there and I wanted them to cook a little bit. And there's what it looks like. Okay. Doesn't look too bad for canned. And I imagine somebody at Food Network, if they were to see this video, would just have their head spin right off their shoulders because, hey, it's canned. We're poor people. We do what we can do. Let's see what this does. How can you beat cheese and sausage and I guess canned pasta? Alright, 2 out of 3. It's a little warm. I've told you in the past I've learned my lesson, but apparently I haven't. It's not bad. If I was in a hurry, I'd probably do it again, or if I was stuck for something. It's not something I would make on a regular basis, but it's okay. They can't all be winners, alright? So anyway, that's why we have hot dogs in the freezer, and this was canned ravioli casserole. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe and click on my little face. We'll see you next time. Bye.